Hi guys, how are you all doing? Welcome to another vlog. Today I'm here in the kitchen. We went for a drive a while ago just to get something for lunch, and here we are. Cheers. I also want to show you one of my favorite juices. It's on sale today in No Frills and it tastes so good. I love it. It says here over 65 years of quality. Kadim grape juice contains only the best nature has to offer, no added sugar, artificial colors, or flavors. Enjoy. And that's what I'm doing, enjoying it. All right, guys, cheers. So good. So we went to the store. We just bought some chicken breast, easy to cook. 2 of those, right? And I'm just gonna bake them. I have spinach here and cream cheese, so it will be a stuffed chicken breast. All right, so let's start. Let's do it so we can eat soon. So guys, I'm done slicing the spinach, right? They're all there. So what I want to do is just to add some onion powder. I have onion powder here, right? Onion powder, some garlic powder, salt, and pepper. I'll be baking 4 pieces of chicken breast. That's the reason why I have lots of spinach. So that, and then some garlic. I like using garlic and onions. And some peppers. And salt. It's up to you guys how much you want to add. You know, you can add more, you can add less. And I'm gonna add this. First, let's mix that to add flavor to spinach. And of course, it depends upon your diet. If you're not allowed to have salt in your diet, then don't add salt. If you're okay with it, then just add the amount accordingly. All right, so that, and then I'm just gonna add all of this. All right guys, so there it is. Now let's wash the chicken, put a slit on it, and stuff it. All right guys, I already sliced the chicken. They're ready, and all these bad boys are ready too. So this is the panko breadcrumbs. They're really good. And as you can see, I already added some olive oil to it. All right, just put some and then mix it. And also in here, I'm gonna add some olive oil so the chicken won't stick in here. All right. All right, now let's stuff the chicken. I'm not the expert in cooking, guys. I just cook this in my regular way of cooking. guys, there they are, ready to rock and roll. 400 degrees and into the oven. All right. Let's time it for 50 minutes. There we go. Now all we have to do is wait. And while waiting for the chicken to be cooked, I also sliced some lettuce and tomatoes, and of course chives from my garden. Yeah, they're fresh, so that we can pair the stuffed chicken breast with fresh salad. Easy peasy. Add it in the salad, and whoever wants salad dressing, there's different kinds of salad dressing that you can use in here, or just put some olive oil, salt, pepper, and a squeeze of lemon. I also decided to add some of these fresh strawberries that we just bought today. Right? Fruit and vegetables, they go well together, so why not? I'm just gonna add a few. Maybe this guy and this one, the big ones. This and this and this and this and this. All right. Slice them thinly, or however you want it, it's okay, like that. Alright, sorry about the noise, guys. Alright guys, here's my beautiful salad. Whoa. Alright. Nice and hot. Alright, our stuffed chicken breast is ready. There it is, guys. Nummy nums.
Ba ba da ba da ba da ba ba.